Oh my gosh, bro. What the frick am I doing, dude? Seriously. I freaking hate myself, bro. I deserve it though. There are some days when I feel like I'm about to tilt, and sometimes I over leverage and think about the profits instead of focusing on the setups that I see.
Freaking sit straight, dude.
I am, bro.
Alright, what's your name?
My name is Daniel.
When did you start trading?
I started trading 2024, or actually way even before that, 2023, but it's been on and off.
Why'd you stop?
Because I got hired at my current job as a pilot.
Who motivated you to trade?
Who? Bro, I don't know who.
He got motivated by me.
Sure. Yeah, right.
Why did you decide to trade again?
I decided to trade again because I want financial freedom, baby. I want to make banks on top of my job.
He is my twin brother, and he's basically my trading partner. Honestly, I'm very grateful that he started trading again because right as soon as he got hired, that's when I started learning back in 2024. I think that having someone trading with someone like a brother or a friend is very helpful because you have an accountability when you make mistakes and you have someone to tell you that it's okay to make mistakes and pretty much encourage you when you feel down, especially someone to remind you if you're forcing a trade or on the brink of over trading and trying to revenge trade. Currently forward testing a swing strategy that I'm learning, which is supply and demand. Currently learning that to add onto ICC, add to my confluence maybe, but yeah, just overall learning the higher time frame. I'm currently on a short trade for gold, and then I have a Euro USD trade for longs, which are both in the 4 hour. Go, go. What'd you hit?
I hit my 1-to-1 TP, baby. Look, it's still going up. Look, it's still going up. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that.
Goal this week is to be extra patient. Last week's trades were very bad. I was able to be up and then gave those profits back last week, and so this week I need more patience. I know one of the people in my comments were saying, seems like you're trading every day, and it sucks because I have taken a rest for a week, but then the next week after my rest weren't great, and my PNL were showing that. Did I fix my sleeping schedule? No. I still have the same sleeping schedule, very late night sessions, and waking up around 1 p.m. to 2 p.m.
If it breaks this pattern, sabi ko, then it's gonna keep going up, sabi ko.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see.
So unless it
But
breaks,
overall, I mean, it's
but if
bearish.
it breaks this, then bearish.
Well, I'm hoping it's not. I'm hoping it's not gonna break.
Yeah, cause ito, this hasn't break yet. Ito, this area.
Yeah, I know.
Hindi nyo pa nabibreak to. Kasi after
But
dito, it's been, I mean, going
nah, bro.
yeah, I know it's
We
holding.
we thing here. We touched that area.
Yeah, I know it's holding in
It
this area nga.
bounced, but we broke
Kaya nga,
a new low. We made a new low.
This is a strong level.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I'm hoping that it would break.
Pero this,
But
basta
again,
ito, this is a possibility.
yeah, I know. I know.
What you mean you don't pay for first date? My half, you pay for your half. No, this is
So I took 2 L's today, or actually 3, but I wouldn't count the other one. I mean, I guess it is pretty much just counter trended. I took 2 swing trades from last week and got stopped out. Trades were pretty good, forward testing the supply and demand. And I am in a couple of trades that I'm waiting on, including gold sells, and just waiting for those to play out. But other than that, trying my best to be patient. Fixing my sleeping schedule is so hard. Last night I slept around 4 a.m. Yeah, I honestly don't know if today is gonna be a very productive day. It's currently 4:26, and I am quite embarrassed or even disappointed with myself because I said that I was gonna fix my sleeping schedule, but here I am. I have not fixed it. Still the same.
That we tap back into where a bank or institution has previously sold at, and we can see that once again we move down lower. So
was doing before, as you can see, right? We haven't got clear bullish or bearish market structure.
Supply and demand candle formations, and I'm going to show you exactly the process to do that now. We are going to be looking to take bites now.
It's my first trade. Where's my first trade, bruh?
Yeah, so what did you do today? Break.
I went to work at 5 a.m. and I missed a trade.
Just hold it. Hold the mic.
Yeah, I'm on a gold sell. Frank! But I might get stopped out. But that's okay. It's part of the game. This would have been a really nice trade. Target this area right here.
Bro, 6 a.m. Bro, I mean 6 p.m. Like, what time is it? It's only 36.
It's gonna open soon. Japan Asia session is gonna open soon. So
That's why you gotta wait. That's why you gotta wait.
Yeah, I should have waited. No, cause lost the trade. Hey, but it's okay. It is what it is.
He's emotional.
Took the L. No, I'm not. Part of the game, baby. Part of the game.
Having a twin is a blessing and at the same time hard, because for me at least, like, I don't want to be left behind in career. And so during that time when he got hired a big boy job, I got sad a bit because I felt left behind. And yeah, but that motivated me to work hard and pursue my dreams, work towards my goals. I just woke up and I have 2 trades that went well. One is USD Canadian and one is Euro JPY. Both went well. I decided to take TP early just because I was happy with the profits I've got. I think I should have held till TP. I don't know, I just wanted to take TP ASAP. I could have held longer, but yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I have like swings, and then when I see that it's almost in my TP, I just, for some reason, I take TP early. Maybe it's something that I still gotta keep working on, to be patient and wait till it get hits. Yeah, so far this week I have been patient, very patient, especially with swings, waiting for the setups and not rushing it. Yeah, swing trade is so hard because like it plays with your patience and you literally gotta be very patient, and it's my weakness. Patience is my weakness. Yeah, we took the L. We took the L. Same with my live. Boom. It's because I am entering on a freaking or lower time frame. Yep, it's my fault. It's my fault. I'm making bad decisions. Oh my gosh, bro. What the frick? What the frick am I doing, dude? Seriously. Oh my gosh. Bruh. I just freaking did that, bruh. I'm so disappointed with myself. Lord, oh my gosh, bro. I freaking hate myself, bruh. Freaking over leverage on this trade. I deserve it though. Well, back to break even from last month. So I am deciding to withdraw basically my live account, main one, and I'm deciding to just focus on my small live account and my other fundeds. I feel like having a live account takes a lot of discipline, and mentally I gotta be strong. There's some days when I feel disciplined, and there are some days when I feel like I'm about to tilt, and sometimes I over leverage and think about the profits instead of focusing on the setups that I see and executing on those. So I'm just deciding to withdraw that account and start small, focus on small accounts, and just grow from there. I don't know how people do it, but me personally, it's been like that journey of me trying to grow a live account. I mean, I'm still up a couple hundreds on that live account, but I just don't want to risk blowing the rest of the account again and being on that phase of where I become emotional and so reliant and wanting to make something work with my live account. I think I'll definitely grow it through payouts, but other than that, I cannot be investing my own money into it just because of the patterns that I've been seeing. Literally last night I took a trade that was in the 1 minute. It's not that I overtraded, and it's not that I was emotional, but I took some trades that were bad setups and I over leveraged. For me, like nowadays, over leveraging is my problem. I only took 2 trades last night on that account, and then I took 2 other trades on 2 different accounts. All the payouts, I think the goal is to put that into a live account just so I don't have much stress when it comes to live putting my own money into it. And yeah, just focus on growing the small account and scaling through prop firms and see from there if it would work. Yeah, took 3 losses today on my swings. This is unfortunate, but yeah, the market just melted like crazy during London session to New York session. Very unlucky. I thought these were very high quality setups, so I ain't gonna be mad about it. And yeah, just move on. What can I do? The only thing I can do is move on from it and wait for another setup. Also, there's always next week. Better setups next week.
set is so beautiful.
Spot in the city. Entered on a long straight. I did not get stopped out, but I got scared and closed it because of the volume. As you guys can see, I had a swings position right over here, and it was close to my stop loss, but I decided to close it. I'm disappointed because now I see a really nice setup going to the upside. After a correction and indication, this was a correction, and now it's continuing going to the upside. I don't know, I got emotional. I think, yeah, that's the hardest when you're swing trading, is like holding the positions as long as you can until you hit stop loss or TP. But yeah, I'm right now I'm just gonna hold this as the best I could, and yeah, just trust the process and accept the losses as well. Yeah, this week's trades have been quite hectic. I don't know, I think it's every week for me. I don't know if I'm like doing too much as a swing trader. I feel like I'm not even a swing trader because like I trade almost every day, and I say I wanna be patient, stay disciplined, but yet I trade every day, and every day for some reason as a swing trader I somehow find the setup, or maybe not, or maybe I'm just forcing trades. There's a reason why I'm still a break-even trader.
How does it help to have someone in your trading journey?
I don't know. Maybe like you guys keep each other like accountable. When someone is, I don't know, on a losing week, I guess you guys kind of like encourage each other to not give up.
Yeah, we're pretty much just supporting each other, making sure that we're being an accountability with each other. It's very important to trade with someone, whether that's a friend, best friend, or a brother, or a twin brother.
Having a trading partner doesn't get rid of the hardships or losses, but it does help you get through the tough moments.